Welcome to a new series. This is office interior design makeover series. So we did the puja on 9th of February, and from 10th of February we started the work on site. So this is the initial breaking which is going on. To quickly summarize about the project, this is basically a G+1 structure, and the ground floor is completely going to be the workshop, and on the first floor it is going to be the corporate office. So ground floor, there are very minor changes which are going to happen, and I'm not covering that because that doesn't come under the terminology of makeover. But yes, the entire first floor is going to be completely redone. So this is the breaking work which is going on. So majorly the work which I have, the scope of the work on the first floor is civil work, electrical, carpentry, and painting. On this site, I am not going to have any false ceiling or any ceiling with a gypsum base. I am going to retain the complete floor height, which is 12 feet. And for floor as well, I'm not going for any tile. I have proposed quota floor to give the earthy feeling and also to take care of the other parameters which are going to be there in this office. So towards the end, I mean, the area what you are seeing currently is going to be a store area. So being store area, it is going to be heavily handled with regards to different materials. Hence, the material used on this project is a bit different. So do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more.